I have been featuring so many in my Fab 5, but this video is going to feature the Empties. What products I completely finished and I thoroughly enjoyed, I heavily recommend, and nothing is better than me telling you what I finished off. After having all of the products that I have, if I manage to finish something, that really says something about it. Alright, stay tuned. I'm going to take you through Fab 5 product Empties, products that I heavily recommend, and will give you my thoughts on them. Hi, I'm Aparna Ganesh and I welcome you back to JoyGeeks. How exciting it is that our tribe is growing. It is so exciting to read all your comments, all your love. I'm always happy to interact with you. Today's video is going to be about product Empties. Like I said, Fab 5. I've been creating tons of lipstick swatches, so many things around makeup. But today I want to tell you what I have really finished off and I loved. Right, I'm going to straight jump into it. Make sure if you have not subscribed, just check once if you have. If you think you have, just check. If not, just subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. It just takes a second. Subscribe, hit the notification bell so you do not miss a future video from me. Okay? The first one I'm going to talk about is this beautiful lip oil from Russ Oils. I am really shocked that I actually finished it. I had made a video featuring all of these. This is what it looks like. This is a beautiful brown shade called caramel something. So I can't read the text. I will add the details on the screen, but I have totally finished this off and I have loved this so much. I'm going to insert shots of me having swatched this on my lip from an earlier video. But if I can scoop out even a little, it's completely gone. But I have to tell you, this has been the most incredibly satisfying thing on the lip in terms of how it felt on my lip, how the color was. It's a caramel brown. Yeah, there is something. This is what the color looks like. And can you imagine what it looks like when it's on the lip? It's very natural. And very often I used to just apply this and head out because it's just taking care of my lips in terms of its nourishment and giving it that nude look, which I used to absolutely love. In fact, I think I will have to go and repurchase this. For sure, I want to repurchase this. I believe Russ Oils has some newer shades as well. I had 3. Now I'm going to move to the mauve shade that I had. There was red, mauve and this one. I definitely highly recommend, and you have my code Aparna on their site. I think it's Aparna. I'll add it on the screen. So you can use that, get the discount and make the most of it. I truly love this product. Heavily recommend this. The next one I've heavily used is this eyebrow pencil from P-A-C, P for parrot. This is called the SuperBrowww Ultimate Brow Pencil in the shade Cocoa Brown. Heavily I have used this because it's very quick to do. This is what it looks like. It's called Cocoa Brown, and on one side you have a spoolie, which is lovely, and on the other side, now unfortunately this is over, completely over, so I do not have anything to show you as a swatch. And this is something that I have, this is I think the second or third one that I have finished off. So I have nothing to show you, but I will try to find this footage from where I have shown this earlier and help you understand what this looks like. Very beautiful product because it's just the right shade for me. It is not too waxy, not too dry. This is very affordable, very easily available, beautiful shade. And I have used this, I think this is my 3rd stick if I'm not wrong. At least I think I would have finished 2 earlier. And that says a lot because eyebrow is one thing I do on a daily basis, so I definitely need a lot of eyebrow sticks. And there's always one in my bag, one in my vanity, one somewhere else, and I have multiples of different brands. But this has been a brand that I have consistently loved from PAC, and I am definitely going to go repurchase this. You must definitely try it if you haven't, and this stays for a long time. I think the spoolie is really soft. I've used a lot of spoolies, but at this range I have not found a spoolie that is so soft. So I'm very happy about this. Must go and try this. The next one I'm going to talk about is this beautiful concealer that I've totally hit pan on. I think you may know what I'm talking about. Can you pause and comment which is the concealer that I've hit pan on? I have shown this earlier as well. I'm trusting that you have paused and you have mentioned what you think is the concealer I finished, but this is what it is. You can see this is a whole palette. This is in the shade medium to deep. Now I'll tell you what, for me, because if I was using makeup extensively with the whole cutting and all, even this shade is really good for doing that. There is an orange color corrector which I use if I really want a very good finish, but most days I'm just stuck to this shade which hit pan, which I use for my under eyes. I will try to show you some footage of that here. And then I started using this because this is completely unused. You can see it's got a dip now. I started using it over my eyelids, which I think works really well. In fact, even now I have that and it looks so natural. I have the lighter shade on top and the more natural shade for me in the bottom, and I can even use this yellowish shade if I want to highlight. I haven't used that much, but I think this is a very good palette. Of course it's expensive, but I feel that in one thing, and it's flat. I love the packaging. I am able to, you know, depending on what I want to do, if I wanted to create some cuts, I have this dark brown shade as well. This dark brown shade works very well for cutting if I want to do that. So overall I find this a very, very good package for travel, for daily use, and it really lasts a long time as well. I mean, there's still some more to finish. I have not completely finished it, but definitely when I fully finish it, I would like to go and get one more of this, because I thought this was very efficient. I in fact got another concealer because I wanted to try if I want to have something smaller, what should I do. So I went and got this from M.A.C that I had shared with you earlier. This is an NC42, and just this itself is also working very well for me. So I have this also. I will see how this goes, but I will definitely recommend this to you. It's very useful palette, especially if you need to apply makeup regularly and you want to have your orange concealer, all of those things. This works very well. This particular shade has been excellent for my under eyes. Let me go to some skincare that I completely finished. One, see, I am always appreciative when skincare brands come out with minis because it gives us a chance to try this. This is a night balm from Forest Essentials. It's such a cute tiny bottle. Look, it's pretty empty, and still I'm going to scoop out the rest because I don't want it to go waste, and this will also last me, I think, at least another week. I love the fragrance of it. I will show you a little of what this looks like. You just need to take little. I'm going to show you the texture here. It just melts into the skin and it's very light. That is what I have figured about Forest Essentials product, that I don't feel heavy on my skin with this. So I truly loved this, and I was able to easily apply this in the night, feeling very well moisturized, yet light on my face. I used this, I was really happy. This is Ojas Illuminating Night Beauty Balm by Forest Essentials. I heavily recommend this. Although I don't think this is available separately. I had got this as a, you know, they have these boxes, they have these sets, which I am very happy to first try out with. So now I know that I love this. I would like to go and get a big jar of this because I think this totally worked. And I'm sure it must be expensive, must be at least 2-3 grand, but I feel it's worth it. But I am honestly happy to use these smaller boxes because I know at least I'll finish it. Yeah, when you have expensive stuff, you don't want to just waste it, right? So I'm very happy I've made good use out of this. Now the next one I have is again from Rus Oils, and I want to show you what this is like. I have to show you this because this is completely done. Can you see the bottle? It's totally done. This is their Radiance Hydrating and Brightening Face Gel Serum. I have used this. It's very light, it's very nice. Let me see if I can get some of it out to just demonstrate a bit. Okay. There's still some left in the bottom, but it's done actually. I love the fragrance. This has, I don't know, I feel camphor in these. You know, something like that. I love that smell that I get, and I have loved this serum so much. So I will definitely want to repurchase this as soon as I find a little blank space in my skincare set. I think I would still like to get it anyway because this has been so light and so nice. Of course, this is a little expensive. The original cost is 2,990, but I got it one with one free. So this must have been 1500 and I thought that was worth it for 30 ml. Yeah, it's slightly expensive, I know, but I think I would be happy to spend on skincare. So I'm happy to get this. It worked very well for me. I love Rus Oil as a brand overall. So use my code if you would like to try it out, and if you're already a fan, let me know as well in the comments. These were the products that I have been using, loving, and would definitely love to repurchase. So I wanted to share this with you. I hope you like this. If you like this kind of a thing, let me know if you want me to make more product empties, because there are more products that I have. Bit by bit, I can definitely showcase them to you, and I can tell you my most used lipsticks. I can tell you it's not empties in lipsticks, but my most used lipsticks, or skincare, I can tell you. Hair care, would you like me to feature that? Tell me and I will feature them for sure. So I've been having a wild time with my Video Excellence Lab members, whoever have come in, because I can see they have progressed. They have started making tons of videos. They're doing so well. So I'm very encouraged to keep going. It is something that is helping people to get over their fears of facing camera, for them to understand where to begin, how to go on with shooting, and how to create videos and stuff. So I'm very happy with the work I'm doing there. If you have not checked out my masterclass link, check that out. Come on to the masterclass and explore what that could be like for you. Okay, that's free totally, and I give a free gift as well. So if you have not yet and you would like to explore, check the link below to register for the next masterclass, and make sure you are connected with me on my Instagram handle. I do tons of stories with sharing with you what's coming up next and all of that. So stay in touch with me on Instagram. The handle is JoyGeeks, and I will see you there. Yes, thank you so much. Bye.